You don't mind, don't worry about those people that are delusional. Eh? They think we are still sleeping. Let me tell you people so that they will hear wherever they are. I wanted to help them. Sincerely, because I know them. And I've said it before. These are people that I've helped. I pay their children's school fees. I pay their house rent. I know somebody said, I didn't know my father was a shell. My father was already a shell officer from 2005 when I started working in finance. So if he says my father was a shell officer, yes, my father was a shell officer. Before I started working here, I was even a shell manager. So I wasn't a beggar. I had enough that I could eat and extend to people. So if you say, I didn't know it was a shell, I was a shell manager in my own corner. So I wanted to help them. We all knew what happened when they crossed. And how did they cross? Because of our God. For them to make that mistake. They are gone and they are gone. Now, let me tell you, when I wanted to help them,